The SPEC MIX D2W Gas Powered Hydraulic Drive Continuous Mixing System. Mix anywhere you work. No dust, no waste, and no utilities needed.
When you're on the job, it don't make any difference when you first get started. Lunchtime, late in the afternoon, doesn't make any difference. You're not having to depend on order ready mix truck. I mean, it's convenience.
This portable material delivery solution is ideal for mixing large amounts of material anywhere on site without running electricity or a pressurized water line. Simply connect the D2W's hose to a pump and a 200-plus gallon tank of clean water. Start the gas-powered hydraulic drive and begin producing up to 10 bulk bags of material per hour.
Typically, the way that we did it in the past was we would have a guy continuously at the mixer. He would dump that mixer into a mud tub. He would take that mud tub to the wall. He would continue to mix. By the time they emptied that mud tub, he would bring it back. They would dump it into the mud tub, but there's a lot of lag time in between where you're not getting any production. So you're saving production by having constant grout.
Once the water ratio is set, the D2W gas-powered hydraulic drive continuously produces highly consistent, workable product with optimal open time. It's the ultimate SPEC MIX Silo delivery system that provides contractors the ability to complete projects in any remote location and the flexibility to mix any SPEC MIX product wherever and whenever it's needed. Whether the project calls for masonry, mortar, and grout, concrete, stucco, or specialty products, the D2W gas-powered system will mix around the clock quickly with zero waste, zero dust, all day, every day. Having your own on-site, on-demand, ready-to-use material batching plant greatly decreases labor and eliminates material waste while maximizing the efficiency, productivity, and profitability of any size crew.
It's cut back on my overtime massively because I can pour when I want to from the beginning of the morning instead of waiting for trucks in the afternoon.
There is no sand to shovel, bags to lift, and risk of back injury. Save time and hassle by eliminating trash and dust at the mixer. The SPEC MIX D2W gas-powered hydraulic continuous mixing system gives you control on when, where, and how fast the job is completed.
From a labor perspective, you do not have a guy on the mixer. It automatically mixes for you. You just set the pump, you dial in the pump at whatever speed the auger can produce. We've poured 48 yards in a day with one.
To learn more about the D2W mixing system gas-powered hydraulic drive, visit specmix.com.